Okay, so you've probably been online long enough now to know that you need to build your list if you want to build long-term income. You've probably read that you need to be using one-time offers to increase your sales, and you've been around long enough to know that you need to use your autoresponder to promote products in the back end, right? And yes, while there are many gurus out there telling you what you should be doing, it seems like no one is actually willing to help you set it in motion. If you've never set up a system like this before, how would you know where to start? How would you know if you've built your squeeze page properly so you're getting a good sign-up rate? How would you know if you've set up your special offer properly so that your newfound subscribers actually buy your offer? How would you know if you have a solid back-end system in place that generates sales for you continuously while you're away? Let's be honest, you're not going to know until you've tried and tested it for yourself. But who has all the time, money, and resources to test, tweak, and perfect the system? For all you know, it's just a theory that could work. Well, luckily, you don't have to speculate. Not anymore. This is why SetUpMyProducts.com was created, for smart marketers like you who know the value of a viral marketing system. One that 1. Builds a hyperactive list of subscribers, 2. Generates one-time offer sales, 3. Turns your subscribers into affiliates, 4. Pays your affiliates automatically when they've made a sale, 5. Promotes your own line of quality products automatically via email, 6. Generates passive sales for you from your email promotions, and 7. Does it all automatically without you having to intervene. Sounds too good to be true? Well, maybe if you've never done it before. However, for those few that do know how to use the system, well, they're quietly raking it in and would rather keep it under the radar. But for the first time ever, you can have your own viral marketing system set up and installed within days by a team of professionals. No need to spend hours putting together a squeeze page. No need to spend hours putting together a special offer. No need to spend hours putting together an instant payout affiliate program. No need to write your own promotion emails. No need to create your own line of products to sell, and definitely no need to test, refine, and tweak the system. Once it's set up, just add a little traffic and let the system do its thing and take over. You'll even be provided with all the traffic training you need to give it that push start. With SetUpMyProducts.com, it couldn't be easier. Years of trial, error, tweaking, and refinement have been put into this system, which can now be yours. Having a list that grows automatically along with increased sales and affiliates, it's the missing key you've been waiting for. Grab your viral marketing system now and see your business grow right in front of you.